Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make almond cake. There is no flour in this recipe, so it's perfect for gluten-free diets, so let's get started. To get started, separate the yolks from the whites. Then add lemon juice to the egg whites and beat until stiff peaks form. In a separate bowl, combine the egg yolks, maple sugar, and vanilla, then beat until light and fluffy. Now go ahead and grate in some lemon zest. The lemon zest adds so much flavor to the cake, so don't skip this step. To your almond flour, add the baking powder and give it a quick mix. Then add it to the egg yolks. Fold in the almond flour with the egg yolks, then add the milk and continue until fully combined. Gently fold in half of the egg whites, then fold in the remainder of the egg whites until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter, as this will lead to a very dense cake. Line your baking dish with parchment paper and pour your batter in. Bake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. You can test for doneness by inserting a toothpick in the center of your cake. If it comes out clean, the cake is done. This cake is so light and fluffy, the maple sugar really gives a nice flavor along with the fresh lemon zest. Enjoy this cake with your next cup of tea. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more videos, please click on the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.